Welcome back as we explore the incredible power of the professional Waring 1-gallon commercial blender. This ultra-heavy-duty machine features a massive 3.75 horsepower motor for tough tasks. Its durable stainless steel container has 2 handles and secure lid clamps for maximum kitchen safety. A convenient built-in spigot allows you to easily pour fresh smoothies, soups, and delicious sauces. Use the 3-speed selection and max pulse feature to chop and mix your ingredients perfectly. The rubberized lid includes a removable clear cap for adding items or venting hot steam pressure. This versatile blender provides the professional performance needed for high-volume food preparation every single day. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.